Well, hello and welcome to ILoveGay today. And we are here jumping into the world of business and entrepreneurship. And we are here with Shaylon Scott, Executive Director of Founders First CDC. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for having me, Matt.
Oh, it's so good to see you. I enjoyed all of our time together last year where there was so much excitement about the first Pride Fund that your
Yes.
organization was coming out with. But even before we jump into that, yeah, tell us a little bit about yourself and Founders First CDC.
Yeah, okay. Well, I'm Shaylon Scott, Executive Director of Founders for CDC. I've been with the organization a little over 3 years, but we've been in existence since 2015. We are headquartered in San Diego, California, but we serve over 14 states now. So we have grown exponentially. And our mission and goal is to serve diverse-led small businesses, helping them to grow and expand through access to connections, access through curriculum that is strong and tailored to their needs, and access to capital, how to receive it, the best way that works for their business, and who are the right individuals, and how to be fund ready to receive capital. So we do all of this through education, our cohort styles, our grants that we offer, as well as additional programs online and virtually and in person.
Yeah. I think that's a big part because I don't know if everybody always fully understands or wraps their head around you have so many touch points for entrepreneurs in terms of I love that you're a small business accelerator, but you kind of give them coaching and so forth. So it seems like a real core of your organization is just to really kind of take them by the hand and help them along the way.
Absolutely. You've probably seen a lot of statistics about the number of businesses that start, but
Yeah.
we want to make sure that businesses not only start, but that they can continue to grow and become job creators, that they are generating jobs and creating wealth in the communities they're in. And so, in order to do that, we have to make sure they're strong enough. They have all the tools and all the backing and support so they can move to that next level. And so that's what we hope to do.
And last year, it was $25,000 distributed amongst 25 recipients, and but you had a lot of folks register and sign up
Yes.
to compete for that. So that must have been tough to pick those 25.
Oh, yes. We have a really rigorous process we go through when it comes to our applications. And every year when we launch a brand new grant, we don't know what to expect. So, a big part of what we do is we like to partner with community organizations that can get the word out, that can get it to the right business owners that fit the demographic we're trying to serve. And we did that first year, and we got a overwhelming amount of interest, some exciting businesses. I think my favorite part is you get to see the videos of the businesses and they are telling you their story. They're telling you their goals and their plans on how they want their business to grow. And so I always like to tell individuals, even if you didn't get selected this year, you can apply next year. You
Yeah.
can come and submit for any of the other grants that we have open and available too, or go through our program. So don't give up.
You're so positive when you say, I love that. Um, but no, even from last year, I noticed that you really partnered well with so many kind of institutions within the LGBT business community. But I mean, it was Start Out, which I think is fantastic to work with.
Yes.
But then also some of the LGBT chambers and even LGBT centers, and you've
Mhm.
just done a great job kind of getting spreading that network.
Thank you. Thank you. That's a lot of that is it comes from our members too. We rely heavily on the feedback from our members on what's needed, those that go through our programs. And then we try our best to look at each region that we're in and see the needs and who are actually the boots on the ground doing the work. So
Yeah.
finding reputable and credible organizations like the ones you mentioned helps us to do the work that we do.
Yeah, no, it was quite a list. I saw not only Start Out, but I saw the Los Angeles LGBT Center, and I saw
Yes,
a variety
yes.
of chambers that I know over the years. So yeah, it was very
And I hope
complete.
some new ones too. So
Me
it's
too.
good to have all of those in there.
Well, especially in California, there's a new California Gay and Lesbian Chamber of Commerce, and then there's the folks with Out Professionals who are making a lot of inroads. So we'll have to make sure to connect and get you guys
Yes,
working
please
with them as
do.
well.
Please do. We look forward to new partners everywhere. So the
Yep.
more the merrier.
Yeah. But for this year, so 2024, it's coming back again, and what how is that looking?
It's looking great. One thing we do with all of our grants is we do pre-registration. So
Yeah.
you have the ability to apply early. So you get the notification as soon as the application opens up. And so
Yeah.
this year it opens April 30th. So pre-registration is open. You can put your information in there right now And as soon as the application is open, you'll be notified and you can apply right there.
Yeah. That's excellent. Well, and also we're going to make sure that links to the Pride Grant and all the registration will be available with this video as well.
Perfect.
And, but I think this is great, and I look forward to seeing all this come together. And I'm just really glad you were able to take a few moments of your time and share a bit of what you guys are up to there.
Oh, thank you for having us. I look forward to seeing all the new applications come through. We've had such good results from some of our members. And if you have a moment, I'd love to tell you about one in particular that is doing really, really well.
Oh, yes, yes.
One that went through our program, her name is Nile Livingston. She's in Philadelphia.
Yeah.
And she had applied for one of our grants previously. She didn't win. And then she applied for the Pride Grant and she got that. And eventually she decided to go into our program. She's gone into our boot camp program. She's been in our Zebra program. I mean, she is growing phenomenally, and she's in the graphic design business there in the Philadelphia area. So that's just one of the businesses that not only took advantage of the grant itself, but the education along with it.
And in the tourism industry, it's a very close, tight-knit group. And so I noticed that on the list was Austin Mata from Too Bad Tourists. So
yes, yes.
I was put a big smile on my face to see that. And I'm actually interviewing him for our show tomorrow.
Awesome. Well, tell him we said hello.
I absolutely will. Well, again, thank you so much for being here, and look forward to seeing all this come together.
Thank you. Thank you, Matt.
And it feels good, so good.